Hi and welcome to another quick Camtasia tutorial. In this video you will learn how to extend or freeze a video clip in Camtasia Studio 9. This is very useful if you want to fill gaps between videos if you have, for example, long narration. So let's go. Let's say that you have two videos and you want to fill this gap between them without moving anything because your narration will be off sync, for example. Just position your playhead close to the end of the first video and right-click and extend frame. You can use shortcut Shift+E to be faster. Type in duration in seconds. If you want to fill whole gap, type some large number and Camtasia will show you maximum duration. Now just type in that duration and the gap will be perfectly closed. And this is it, how you extend or freeze part of the video in Camtasia. Thanks for watching, I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe for more videos like this and have a nice day. Bye bye.